Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best home hair dryer is probably one of the most underrated tools for achieving salon quality results right in the comfort of your own home, transforming your hair drying routine from a tedious chore into a luxurious, hands-free experience that locks in moisture, sets styles perfectly, and dramatically reduces frizz, making it an essential investment for anyone serious about their hair health and styling prowess. Number 5. Wavytalk Blown Away Ionic Hair Dryer. Introducing the Wavytalk hair dryer, designed to transform your hair routine. It's an ionic hair dryer, perfect for enhancing natural curls and reducing frizz. Experience salon quality results in less time. This powerful 1875W blow dryer ensures fast drying, getting you ready quickly. Equipped with advanced ceramic technology, it distributes heat evenly, protecting your hair from damage. This ensures a smooth, shiny finish every time. It comes with 3 versatile attachments, including a diffuser, catering to all hair types and styling needs. You can easily switch them to achieve your desired look. Enjoy a comfortable styling experience with its lightweight and quiet design. Plus, its elegant rose gold finish adds a touch of sophistication to your beauty tools. What we like? This dryer boasts advanced ionic and ceramic technology, perfect for reducing frizz and enhancing shine. It comes with a specialized diffuser, making it ideal for various hair types. If you have curly hair or are looking for a versatile dryer that's gentle and effective, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. ANIEKIN Hair Dryer. Tired of long drying times? This powerful 1875W blow dryer is engineered for speed, getting you ready faster. It delivers exceptional performance, ensuring your hair dries quickly and efficiently. Included with the dryer is a diffuser, perfect for enhancing natural curls and waves. It gently disperses air, reducing frizz and adding volume for a beautifully defined look. For sleek, smooth styles, attach the concentrator. This attachment focuses the airflow, allowing for precise styling and a polished finish. It helps you achieve salon quality results right at home. Designed with convenience in mind, it's compact and remarkably lightweight. This makes it ideal for everyday use and easy to pack for travel, fitting perfectly into your lifestyle. Underneath its sleek design lies a robust 1875W motor. This ensures consistent, powerful airflow for efficient drying and styling, making your routine effortless. Whether you have long, short, curly, or straight hair, this versatile tool is suitable for all. It's designed to meet the styling needs of both women and men, delivering professional results every time. What we like? This model stands out for its incredibly compact and lightweight design, making it super easy to handle and store. Despite its size, it delivers powerful, fast drying. If you prioritize portability for travel or simply want a comfortable, easy-to-manage dryer for daily use, this one is for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as requested. Number 3. Nova Microdermabrasion Professional Hooded Hair Dryer. Achieve salon-quality hair drying results right at home. This professional hooded dryer is designed for efficiency and convenience. Its adjustable bonnet ensures a comfortable fit for all hair types and styles. You can easily customize the height and angle for optimal drying. With its stand-up design and rolling wheels, it's incredibly easy to move and position. This makes it perfect for any beauty spa, home, or salon environment. The built-in timer allows you to set precise drying durations. This ensures consistent results and prevents overdrying, protecting your hair. Experience professional-grade hair care without leaving your house. It's an essential piece of equipment for anyone seeking efficient and effective hair drying. What we like? Experience salon-quality drying with this professional hooded floor dryer, offering complete hands-free convenience. Its adjustable height and built-in timer allow for customized sessions. If you're looking to replicate a spa experience at home or need a dedicated station for consistent drying, this unit is perfectly suited. What people say. Number 2. Bonnet Hair Dryer Attachment Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for salon-quality hair at home. This innovative attachment makes drying your hair a breeze, giving you more time for what matters. Designed for everyone, it's extra large, adjustable, soft, and comfortably accommodates all head and hair types. No more struggling with ill-fitting dryers. Enjoy unparalleled flexibility with its extra long hose. You can move around freely while it works its magic, making your routine more convenient. It comes complete with 10 silicone hair curlers, perfect for achieving beautiful curls. This kit is your all-in-one tool for drying, styling, and deep conditioning. Whether you're drying, styling, curling, or deep conditioning, it delivers consistent, professional results. Transform your hair routine with this versatile tool. Upgrade your hair care routine today. Discover the ease and effectiveness of this complete hair drying and styling solution. What we like. This unique product transforms your existing hairdryer into a soft bonnet system, perfect for deep conditioning treatments. It even includes silicone hair curlers to help you achieve beautiful styles effortlessly. If you love to deep condition your hair or enjoy setting curls with ease, this attachment offers incredible value and convenience. What people say. Number 1. Why not professional hooded stand-up hair dryer? Experience salon-quality drying with this professional hooded stand-up dryer. It provides even heat distribution for perfect results every time, whether at home or in your professional space. Its height-adjustable design ensures comfort for every user, accommodating various chair heights and preferences. You can easily modify it to suit your specific needs. Equipped with a sturdy floor-standing rolling base and smooth wheels, it offers unparalleled mobility. Easily move it wherever you need it, from one station to another. This is an indispensable piece of equipment for any beauty salon. It enhances efficiency and provides a superior client experience for your business. Transform your home into a luxurious spa with this versatile dryer. Enjoy professional hair care treatments in the comfort and privacy of your own space. What we like. This professional stand-up hooded dryer provides a robust and flexible solution for home or salon use. Its height-adjustable design and rolling base ensure comfort and mobility during use. If you desire a durable, professional-grade dryer with maximum flexibility for various styling needs, this model is an outstanding investment. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.